Stop shopping for toilets like you're picking out wall art. If you treat your toilet like decor, you're going to end up with a high-maintenance headache that clogs every other week. You aren't buying a bowl, you're buying a machine. Today, we're cutting through the marketing fluff to look at the top 3 American Standard models that actually perform and exactly how to pick the right one for your home. Before you pick a model, you need to know the big 3 specs that prevent buyer's remorse. 1. The 12-inch rough-in. If you don't measure the distance from your wall to your floor bolts, you're in for a nightmare. 2. Chair height. If you're over 5 feet 5 inches, you want that 16.5-inch height. Your knees will thank you in 10 years. And 3. The Trapway. If it isn't skirted, you're just buying a dust magnet. After testing the engineering and the cleaning experience, these are the top 3. 1. The best overall. The American Standard Cadet 3. Why? This is the industry gold standard. It's the Toyota Camry of toilets. It works every single time, it's affordable, and the parts are available everywhere. It's perfect if you want reliability without overthinking it. 2. The low maintenance king. The American Standard Compact Cadet 3 one-piece. Why? The game changer. Because it's one solid piece of ceramic, you lose that dead zone seam where the tank meets the bowl. It wipes down in 3 seconds flat. If you hate cleaning the bathroom, spend the extra money here. 3. The Performance Powerhouse. The American Standard Town Square S. Why? This is for the aesthetics first crowd who refuses to compromise on power. It looks high-end, has a premium glaze that resists stains, and uses a siphon jet action that moves waste effortlessly. Don't guess your way through a hardware store aisle. Measure your rough-in, pick your profile, and you're set. Hey, quick question. Does your current bathroom have a standard 12-inch rough-in, or are you working with a vintage home that might need a specialty model? Drop it in the comments. I'll help you figure out your best fit. Don't forget to subscribe for more home hacks that actually work.
Visit SAKSBY.com and contact us at 1-8447-175044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.